Friday. So today is
Friday.
16, I think.
Yeah.
16, and walang pasok si Zion because of PSLE. Kaya ilalabas namin sila. Actually dapat kanina umaga, kaso may lakad si Dwayne kanina. So inantay namin siya umuwi, and then syempre shower, eat. Ayan. Tapos pag may mga bata talagang matagal. And this boy is busy reading Coco's book. And na si Zion. Tawag dun? Umuwi siya saglit kasi gusto daw niya mag-PT. So,
Zion's back in the house.
there. And then there's Lola.
It's better now, actually.
So,
I cooled down much faster.
paglalaroin lang namin sila, and we're off to go. Okay, we are back here. Gardens by the Bay. We're gonna let the boy water. Are you excited, guys?
Yeah, quite. Oh, yes. I am very. I'm not gonna stop. Where are we going?
You're not gonna what? Look at that feet. Huh? You're not gonna shower?
It's not some place. I'm not going to tea.
No, we're not going super tree. We're going to the water play area.
Water play area.
Yes.
That's a big hot sea.
Oh, look, they're fixing the one. You see how they fix the light, anak? Anak, look, oh, they're having maintenance. They're inside the tree.
Mom.
Yeah.
You want to know where my rocket boots landed?
Where?
Yeah. I'm so great.
We're going to
I gotta
Sun
adjust it.
Pavilion.
Wait, Mom.
Nakita na nila. Excited na sila.
May oras lang yan.
No, hanggang late tata yan. No running! Hold on together! Nandun na si Zion. Hi! Ezra! Zion! Yee! Coco!
Okay, if my clothes get wet.
Yeah, you play with your brother because he's a little scared. Is it fun? Is it late raining?
Okay, you come up. Happy day. Is it better now? What are you doing? Yes, Woo. Smile? How you smile?
Dad, let me,
It's okay.
Hello, fishy! I like the big one. Can we go to the big one? Yay! This one, baby. Ezra. This one. So big. Dito kami sa may Parang tree house. For sure Zion will like here. Pero wala siya. No, don't throw like that. That's right, it will go to your eyes. It will be painful. Come, you see, there's a lot of ano here. Rocking. Come. Yeah, look.
That one over
Hurry up, that's what's coming. This way, baby, this way. Here. This is one bridge. There's another bridge over there. Let's go what they have here first. Oh, it will go to the slide. Oh, there's a camera in there. Oh, don't put your shirt up. Here, baby. This one. Baby, here. Look.
Wow, more!
Wow, this is a beautiful playground here. It's a balancing game. There. Whoops. Whoa.
I'm 6 years old, so I can do quite better.
There's some more here, Ko. Here, baby. Wait for me, Zion. This side. Let's try this bridge. Oops. Whoa. Na. Oh my God.
I want to slide with that. I'll find you a diamond, Mom. Me too. I will find a diamond.
Kaloka. Sa dami-dami nang kalimutan ko yung short niya. So yung short na gamit niya, yung short ni Zion kanina. Anyway, pagod na rin yan. Ito, wala pang kapaguran. You don't dirty yourself na, ha? Naligo na sila. So ano na lang. Si Dwayne na lang. Your shirt is gonna drop. It's law, remember? Dito kami sa may parang bamboo something. Uy! Tapos na kami. Wah! Si Zion gusto pumunta ng M. Hinihilan niya yung tatay niya. M lang. Shag is expensive lang.
Hi. So we are having our snack at Good?
Dad, I want to talk to you with.
Is it good?
Yeah, but I have a question. Have you heard of brunch? That's late breakfast or early lunch. So what do you combine with breakfast and dinner? Find out. I didn't know.
Okay, time to eat. Okay, his questions.
It's time for dinner. How come they give you the big bag?
Oh, when you're nice to people, they give you free things.
You see? So we're having sushi for dinner.
Maybe Zion doesn't
Hola.
like it.
His ears suddenly so bright. Sushi!
Hooray, sushi!
Hooray, hooray, sushi! Yeah, sure. Say Lola, it's dinner time.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!